Hey guys, how's it going? So today we're going to be opening the Bella Beauty Box. The Bella Beauty Box is a monthly subscription service, so for I think it is $18 a month, you get some sample size products and even a full size product of some beauty products. I have been getting the Bella Box for a couple of years now and I look forward to every month when it arrives. So I thought I'd show you what I am getting in the April box. Let's open it up. Try not to cut my eye off. They have recently changed the packaging too. It's so much nicer. Ooh, we've got a pink box this time. I don't know if you can see that properly, but it's a nice light pink and it's like fabric. You hear that? Anyways, let's open it up. Okay, so we've just opened up the little black tissue paper and we've got the information pack for what is in this month's box. I don't like to read that because I feel like it ruins the surprise. I like to open each item individually and see what it is. Ooh, okay, so we've got a full-size product here. Micellar Gentle Cleansing Shampoo. I didn't know micellar was a shampoo as well. I always thought it was just makeup remover, but this is interesting. I am keen to try this out. I wonder how it smells. Oh, it smells so fresh and clean. Oh, I just love that smell. Okay, well, keen to try that one out. What else do we have? Okay, we've got a pink clay mask. Nice, nice. What else do we have? Oh, this is cute. Oh, a little makeup remover cleansing towelette. It's so little. And we have, what is this? Queen of the Fill Tinted Brow Gel. This is actually awesome because I've been wanting to get some new brow gel for ages now. Okay, I'm going to open it up. Okay. Cute, decent size as well. I have no idea what shade it is. Oh, it's a brown. That will go perfect with my eyebrows. Should I just try it out now? Is that even doing anything? I've already done my brows, but I think it might be a bit lighter than my normal color, which is not bad, but I will definitely be trying that out again. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've got my dog sitting right here and she's watching me. I think she thinks that I'm talking to her and showing her all these products because sometimes she actually watches me do my makeup in the mornings and she's so adorable. I have to show you. Hello, Zola. How you doing, Papa? Are you a good girl? Oh, I love her to bits. Okay, so back into it. We have a couple more products here. Okay, we've got something in French. Oh, a prebiotic moisturizer. Okay, for sensitive skin. That's perfect because my skin is so sensitive. It's not even funny. Okay, that's quite a decent size product as well. I'm just going to test out the consistency. That feels nice, not too greasy. Yeah. Doesn't smell too bad either. Doesn't have that chemical smell that a lot of cheap products have. Cool. Okay, and then we've got a little package. What's this? A micro cleanse super scrub with glycolic acid. So that's just in a packet. Formulated with jojoba. Formulated with jojoba microbeads. Okay, awesome. I'm excited to try that too. And then they always throw in a little voucher of some sort. And this month we've got a little Pet Circle voucher, $15 off your first order. Be interesting to see how this works because I love Pet Circle and I'm already a member. So it'd be awesome if I could still use this discount somehow. But that was it for this month's beauty box. Some products there that I'm definitely very keen to use. I actually find that the full-size products are really decent size actually, and it kind of takes me a while to use all the products as well, because like you saw how many products they just gave us in that pack. Like, there's no way I could use all that in a month. So you find that you kind of just accrue little products here and there, unless you really, really like something. You don't really finish a full product. But it's really nice to try out different brands and see what ones you like. And you get these cute little boxes that you can store things in. So I've got these in my makeup drawers just filled with different products. And it's great because I can then organize my products. So I've got hair stuff, nail stuff, skin stuff, masks, all organized and neat. So yeah, all right, well, thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you a little insight into what the Bellabox subscription holds. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.